Hey there, welcome to my channel. You are watching Tablescape Tuesdays. If it's the first time that you're here on this channel, welcome. And if you're a regular subscriber here, welcome back. On the AriA Lifestyle, we do home decor, cooking, fashion, beauty, fitness, anything that's a part of AriA's lifestyle. So I hope that this content interests you and you will become a part of the AriA Lifestyle family. Tablescape Tuesdays is a collaboration series that happens just as it suggests every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, 5 p.m. Central Time. I do Tablescape Tuesdays every week, and I want you to know that this is an open collaboration hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, the Grace Live DIY and Home Decor, and Amethyst Adventures. Now, anybody can be a part of this open collaboration. All you need to do is whenever you dress your table, you record it, and when you're uploading to YouTube, you include the hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 23, and you will be a part of this playlist with all these wonderful content creators. So we support each other here on YouTube, and we hope that you will like this video, comment, and perhaps share it with somebody who you think will like it. Now, today's table is what I would coin as going back to basics. We have been doing all types of tables here on the AriA Lifestyle, and it's all about being creative. It's all about expressing yourself in the table. So my table today is back to basics. Let's dress this table. Stay with me towards the end. Okay guys, so this week my focus is a little different. You know how every week I have an object or something or a theme or some kind of inspiration. This week my inspiration and my muse for this tablescape is my tablecloth. It's a beautiful thrift find. The texture is satin-like, very, very exquisite, but at the same time the color is still calming and not very imposing on the theme, minimal theme that I normally try to express. So basically the tablecloth in the backdrop is my focus. Whatever I'm doing on this table today, the tablecloth will shine. So I'm going ahead using neutrals so that I do not distract from the tablecloth itself. Now I'm doing the place setting that is normally at the further side of the table, just to give you an idea and a different perspective of the making of this table. Look at those beautiful, soft, neutral tones, guys, the whites and the creams. And I'm just putting a little natural touch there of the, what do you call, sesame seed kind of plant, whatever that is, and that dry green leaf situation. Whatever it is, guys, it's beautiful, it's dry, it's natural, and it's not distracting from the beautiful tablecloth that we have there in the backdrop. Okay, so we have our basket woven type natural element placemat going on right here. I have purposely chosen the lighter hues, and here I'm coming in with my white salad plate over the larger plate with, a different kind of shape. And here I have my white flour sack. This is actually a flour sack, guys, that I am using as table napkins this week. And as I said to you, I'm using those natural leafy dry leaf elements along with the dry wheat pampas grass looking type of situation. And I'm using utensils, gold knife and fork. Pretty simple. And I'm going to close it out with a pair of clear glasses, tall and short. This table would be one that is suitable. Yes, it's a table for two, but it could easily be a table for four. And it could just be a nice early dinner for a small family. And you know how sometimes you want water as well as juice, so that's how these two glasses come in handy. I think they're gorgeous. Look at the texture of these glasses, guys. Now for the center, guys, I'm always going to Goodwill and I'm always getting some good finds. Well, not every single time, but sometimes I find some beautiful stuff. And here is what I call a mark of beauty. Now look at this vase, guys. Look at the positioning of the handle, how different it is. If you feel the texture in real life, you're just going to be closing your eyes and smiling. It's beautiful, guys. And it's one of those precious finds that you don't have to touch. I don't have to do anything to this beauty. Look at her. Look at her shine. And I don't even want to distract from the beautiful handle. I have put in some greens to, pull in the theme from the place setting of those same leaves. I am using those leaves just with a few natural looking roses, neutral looking roses. And I'm not filling this vase up. If you notice, I have leaned the florals to the side so that we can see the beauty of the handle of this vase. Now, the reason why I have called this table Back to Basics is because it's really, really simple. It's really, really basic. I'm using the basic, like I have a placemat, I have one dinner plate, I have one salad plate. That's just the basic, guys. The knife and the fork and just juice and water I'm catering for. There's nothing fancy here. This is just the basic of what you would need on your table. And then now to continue with how basic we are, we're putting some fruits just to add some pop of color, and they're going to be embedded in some greens. So the fruits that I'm using are real fruits, guys, and I'm interspersing them with some faux lemons. So you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, which if you are not following me on Instagram, guys, follow me on Instagram, because I have different content on Instagram than I do here on YouTube. So I want you guys not to miss anything. So follow me on Instagram, where I post daily and shorter content. And over here I have longer content where it can be more relaxed and you can get to know me more. I'm going to even make my channel a little bit more interactive and, more laid back. So I will be introducing some more vlog style presentations and formats. So as you can see with this table, it's very natural. The fruits are there. It's just super duper simple and back to basics, basics in every way. basics in the fact that it's simple, and basics in the fact that stuff like vegetables and fruits are just basic parts of our food ecosystem that need to be had. We need to have our fruits, we need to have our vegetables, and I think this table really does represent basics in terms of, as I said, the simplicity, and in terms of the food items that I have chosen to place on there for a pop of color. Also, it's a pop of reminder that, guys, whatever we eat, it should be balanced. So as I said before, I want you guys to follow me on Instagram, along with subscribing here on my YouTube channel, because I'm going to make my YouTube channel so comprehensive, so lifestyle, guys. You're going to get to know more of who I am, all aspects that can inspire you guys to live a better and the best lifestyle that you can. So I think this closes out my table. I'm using my donut vases that I have featured on Instagram. I have featured in my cozy corner, and all these items, guys, are linked in my LTK store, which I will put the link for my store in the description box, guys, so that anything that you see here, you can try to get it. And if you want to, copy me on this table, that's the whole point of being an influencer. I want you to copy me. I want to influence you to a better lifestyle, a better table setting, a better who you are. And if you like something and you're trying to reproduce it, it would be an honor to me. So remember that I am a creative, but I want you to be inspired by my creativity. So guys, that's the end of the table today. Stick around for the reveal. And just one quick thing, some of you might not know what LTK means, but it's actually like to know. So it was created as a forum where content creators could link all their items that they use in a particular post, so that their followers can know exactly how to recreate that post. So that's basically trying to link all the items as much as possible, so that you can go ahead and purchase them and recreate what I have created. So that was just a little tip. Thank you for staying with me towards the end of this video. If you are here until now, it means there's something that you are liking with this channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, I hope you will subscribe to this channel, become a part of the AriA Lifestyle family. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, so that whenever I do upload new videos on a Tuesday and on a Friday at 5 p.m. on each day, you will be notified. So guys, thank you. Thank you for staying with me. Get ready for the reveal. And remember, love you. Peace out.